College athletes who fell victim to sexual abuse look to make sure that future athletes are not put in the same position.
Elite athletes are in Washington today talking about their experiences of sexual and physical abuse in their sports.
3.8% of elite U.S. athletes report being sexually assaulted as minors. 61% involve adult authority figures, almost always coaches. These are not numbers, these are lives. Families often only realize the danger when they consult a sports coach, sexual abuse lawyer, learning how subtle grooming can spiral into abuse. Bao held top positions at the University of Arizona and the University of Texas. Behind the encouragement, he began isolating her from friends and family, giving her special attention, and slowly manipulating her trust. What started as mentorship became control, then abuse. The case exposed how institutions meant to protect athletes can fail. Consulting a sports coach sexual abuse attorney became countless young athletes have confidence, mental health, and dreams undermined by those they trusted most. Understanding the patterns of sports coach sexual abuse can protect others before harm escalates. Grooming starts small. 1 is gifts, excessive praise, or special privileges. A coach who singles out an athlete may be seeking control under the guise of mentorship. 2, isolation from teammates and family. Coaches who encourage skipping events or avoiding friends create conditions where abuse stays hidden. 3, secretive communication. Private texts, calls, or messages athletes are told to hide, normalize inappropriate behavior. 4, gradual escalation of physical contact. Even seemingly innocent touches can grow over time, leaving the athlete unsure what is acceptable. 5, discussions of sexual topics or instructions to keep secrets. When a coach talks about sexual subjects or asks an athlete to hide interactions from parents, it is manipulation, not mentorship. These are tactics a sexual abuser in athletics often uses to gain control. Structural failures are clear. NCAA rules prioritize reputation over safety. Complaints went through athletic departments and were often ignored. Reporting existed on paper, but enforcement was rare. Power hierarchies elevated coaches above oversight. Groomers exploited this silence using privileges, secretive communication, and boundary testing to normalize inappropriate relationships. The system itself, not just individual coaches, created conditions for abuse. Even sexual abuse in youth sports lawyers have documented cases where prior complaints were ignored, leaving new athletes at risk. The story escalated their lawsuit. Internal emails and training logs revealed years of unaddressed concerns. Investigations stalled. Public outrage forced the NCAA into the spotlight. Media coverage exposed the power imbalance and lack of accountability. Suddenly, the story could not be ignored. The NCAA promised reforms, policies were rewritten, safe sport programs launched, education initiatives promoted, yet complaints continued. Coaches with prior allegations stayed in authority. Oversight was inconsistent. Reform existed on paper, but not in practice. Consulting a sports coach sexual abuse lawyer remained critical to navigate the system and secure justice. Today, young athletes remain at risk. Recognizing grooming early, documenting concerning behaviors, and seeking help are essential. A sports coach sexual abuse lawyer can guide survivors through the legal process, ensuring their voices are heard and responsible. Adults are held accountable. Understanding the warning signs protects both the athlete's safety and dreams. Justice is incomplete, but awareness and action can prevent further betrayal. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.